What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. We are in a new space and we're dialing it in, so bear with me. We're gonna change a few decorations in the background, but enough of that. Let's get to the product we are reviewing. This, my friends, is the NewAir Quiet Heat 15B space heater. This is in the color black. They also have it in the color white, and I believe possibly the color gray as well. Just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is gonna be this exact same link for this product, so you guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself after the video is done, of course. So, real quickly here, you're like, Chris, how big is that? This is 7.2 by 13.8 by 13.7, weighing in at approximately 8.5 pounds. Run a couple features by you guys real quickly. It's whisper quiet, 34 dB through 45 dB, 2-speed high efficiency room heating, precise temperature control from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Programmable timer, 1 to 12 hours. Tip over safety shut off, so if it falls over, it will automatically turn off. And energy saving eco functioning. And of course, one of the most important specs, this is a 1500 watt space heater. So this particular new space I'm in, it's an older home. We're looking at about 1960 built. So the insulation is not very good, not like my last property where I was doing my unboxing and review videos. This home does not have central AC or central heat. So this is where this bad boy comes into play. Not to mention, I used a different space heater when I was working on my car in Colorado. Very cold out in those garages. So that's where I'm excited about this. So enough talking, let's get it out of the box, see what we got. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. Alrighty guys, it is out of the box and it's a good looking space heater. And you're probably wondering, well Chris, you got a gas stove in the back. Well, it's not for this particular room. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. We do have our LCD right on top here with our button functions, etc. We do have a remote control inside of this little bag right here. We're gonna get to that in just a second here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it here. This right here would be a nice little, obviously, heater guard right here with a nice black gloss, as you can see my Samsung phone that we're filming on right here. Very nice, well designed. Let's go ahead and take a look. Nothing on the sides or anything like that, but as we come around to the back of the heater, we have a nice little grip. You can pick it up that way there. Right here we have a little, what looks to be probably a little filter right there to protect some debris from going in, and you could obviously just wash that. And we have our air intake right here. Cord comes out the back, ceramic heater, looking great. And when you're ready to go ahead and pop that on in there. Coming around to this side here, looking great. Let's go ahead and look at the top a little bit closely before we do turn it on. We have our power button, plus and minus. Temperature looks like a timer there. High and low, and eco mode there. Let's go ahead and open this guy on up. All right, very, very nice here. We have turned it on. We have the remote control right in front of us right here. So obviously you can do it two different ways. It does have a battery already inside of it, which is very nice. So let's go ahead and look at the machine a little bit closely as we see on here. Now the camera is going to be flickering a little bit. It's not flickering in person, but just because camera to it, we're getting a little bit of feedback, but I do not see that flickering in person. Okay, so we have high and low setting right here. This is the default temperature right here. Let's go ahead and hit that button up there. Here you can set it 0 through 12 hours for a different time. If you want it on for 12 hours is the max, and obviously 0 is the minimum for a timer, and then it would automatically go off if you want to go ahead and set it and forget it. So after the timer here, we have it at 77 degrees. Of course, we can go up, we can go down. My guess is let's go ahead and see what we can get up to. Looks like it gets up to 95 there. And let's go ahead and work our way down and see what we can get it to. And down to 41. Now, after I kicked it down to 41 degrees, it actually cut off, and that's the precision temperature control, which is really cool. And so let's go ahead and go back here, and then I guess once it goes over let's see, I think it's like 68 in this room. So let's just put it on 70 and it should kick on. Yep, just turned on because it's 69 degrees, 70 degrees here. And we kicked on right there. Very nice precision temperature control. That's great. And that's going to be in that function right there after timer. And then here we have ourselves high and low right here. And after you do hit it here, it heads up that direction and it'll take a few seconds for it to kick on. And we hit it down here and then it actually kicked down. Very nice. Here we have eco mode. If you want to go in more of a eco-friendly mode there, that's cool. Let's go ahead and kick that off. And so the LCD actually dims, or if you hit the buttons again, then the LCD will light up a little bit more brightly, but that will dim if you are using this and you're trying to take a nap, or if you're very light sensitive, if you're sleeping or whatnot. And it does have tip over control, which is great as well. So we're gonna go ahead and bring the camera in before we do show that. And again, this is a 2-speed fan. Let's go ahead and listen in, super quiet. Very, very quiet. If you're hearing anything, it's probably my computer underneath right here, but it's very quiet. Let's go ahead and kick it up to high, and that'll kick in a couple seconds here. 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. It is now blowing. Let's go ahead and get on in here with the high mode. Again, very quiet, very nice. Let's go ahead and kick that off. When you go back to low mode, it does it within 1 second, but going up takes about 6 seconds or so. Let's go ahead and show you the auto shut off feature. So you go ahead and tip it over, let's say, boom, off. Very nice. That's a great feature there, guys. Let's go ahead and turn it on one more time. And let's go ahead and check that out. Let's go ahead and go from the front now. If it were to fall, boom, cut off right there. Very cool. And then you go ahead and turn it back on when you're ready to roll. Guys, that's a very nice heater. Brings off just the right amount of heat. Let's say obviously I didn't have that in this room. This is obviously going to be used in my media room. Again, this home does not have central AC or heat. This is going to be used in my media room or if I'm working in the garage. But I would even potentially use it instead of the gas. I would use it right here in the corner next to my computer setup. And so I have some nice heat in the middle of the winter here. Well, guys, that is a great heater, great functions on it, looks good, number one. I've seen a lot of space heaters that don't look very good, and NewAir has definitely done a very nice design. You could, of course, take off that little label. I'll leave that up to you or not. But guys, thank you so much for watching the video. In the description box below, again, is going to be the link for this exact same space heater. Check out that link, subscribe to the channel, and thumbs that video up if that has helped you make an informed decision. My name's Chris. We'll see you on the next review. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.